Hi there everyone! How are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for tuning in to Life of Pang. Today we are making a super easy and healthy cookie, banana oatmeal cookies. I am using two different oats because I want to use them up, quick cooking oats and roll oats, but if all you have is one kind, that's fine too. If using roll oats only, roughly grind 1/2 cup of it in your food processor or coffee grinder. Just give it a few pulses. Double or triple the recipe if you are baking in the oven. The full recipe is in the description box below, along with oven baking instructions, so make sure you check the oven baking section. And there's nothing special about it, just mix everything in a bowl and you're ready to bake. Now if you do want it a little bit sweeter, I am adding chocolate chips, so for vegans you can add maple syrup. I did start with 2 medium bananas, but my batter was just a bit too dry, so I added an additional banana. Line your cooker with a parchment paper. Now you can make one big giant cookie by putting all the batter into your rice cooker, or shape them into any size you want. These cookies will not rise or expand during baking, so shape them into the size that you like them to be, and just press them down a little bit. It does say 5 ingredients, but I have 2 different types of oats which you don't need, and the chocolate chip is optional. So yeah, still 5 ingredients, right? And let's do our first bake. Now do keep in mind that one bake cycle is 5 to 10 minutes in high heat and 20 to 25 minutes in warm heat, depending on your rice cooker. After 2 bake cycle, which is 1 hour, and these look beautiful, they smell great as well. Carefully lift out the parchment paper and let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. I really appreciate you watching my video. I hope it was enjoyable. If you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't miss any of my recipes by clicking on that subscribe button and notification bell. I upload new videos every Saturday here on Life of Pang. And just look at these cookies. They are beautiful, smells wonderful, and healthy too. I love cranberries, and these are just loaded with it. Now you can use cranberries or whatever dry fruit you like. I love hearing from you, so please comment below, even just to say hi. If you do make any of my recipe, I would love to see them. You can email me or upload them into my rice cooker Facebook page, or tag me in any of these social media sites at Rice Cooker Baking. And these are not crispy, but has a chewy texture to it. And having the quick oat or the grind roll oats really help to hold the cookie together. Oh yeah, they are so good with a hint of sweetness. Definitely make these if you like oatmeal cookies. Enjoy them anytime and don't feel guilty about it. And this cookie is at a too sweet to sweetness level with a chocolate chip. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few important reminders to keep in mind. Recipes with 1 cup to 1.5 cup of flour is best for minimal baking time. Depending on your rice cooker, it will probably stay on cook for about 5 minutes, and then it's gonna go into the warm status. And this is completely normal. When baking, there's not much liquid, and so the rice cooker must go into this warm status to prevent it from overheating. But you don't have to worry. Your baked good is still baking in this warm state. Since we do have to come back and push that cook button again, set a timer for 30 minutes, and when the timer goes off, just press that cook button and then set another timer. Now, if you press that cook button and it will not go into a cook but keeps staying on warm, that just means it needs more time to cool off, so just let it sit for another 10 minutes and try again. And you do have to repeat this bake process until your cake is done. Try not to open your rice cooker until after the 2nd or 3rd bake cycle, because we do want to keep that warm air inside the rice cooker to to continue to bake your cake. And to test whether your cake is done or not, just use a chopstick, toothpick, skewer or knife, insert it into the center, and if it comes out clean without any wet batter, then your cake is done. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will really appreciate it if you give me the thumbs up down below if this video was helpful and enjoyable. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, why not? Click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. And I should hope that you will come back and watch more videos. But until next time, happy baking!